Hey, folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Tuesday, September 8th, 2015. Last week, I highlighted in one of these free videos, Lumber Liquidators. It is starting to take off, up 4% today. This is just the beginning, in my opinion, based off the daily chart. And that's what we focused on last week, and that's why I said it was going to go north. And again, this is a beautiful start to that move. Take a look, and I'm going to flip over to the daily chart here. Guys, let's just jump over to that right now so we can talk a little bit more about it. Take a look at this. And again, here was your bottom put in. Look at the volume. Floated up into the 20 MA, and look at how it's consolidated and stayed along the 20 MA off of that. Next target is going to be this gap fill right here at around 18 bucks or just above 18. And that is going to be a target I think is achieved probably in the next couple weeks to a month or so, maybe less, I don't know, but ultimately I would expect a month or less, and maybe as soon as a couple weeks being achieved. Now the key here is to understand this. It's not just the pattern. The pattern's a beautiful thing, but you have to think of the context within the market. All right, so the markets have been crushed lately. I mean, it has been ugly over the last couple months, right? You know, ever since we put in some recent big drops, the market's retraced and gotten crushed again, down 300 points, down 500 points on the Dow. Look at what this stock has done. After putting in the short-term low, it's floated up and then put in a bullish flag. No selling is left, basically. That's what I'm telling you right here, is even when the market's selling, you're not seeing investors sell. And that's a huge signal, because if you go back on this chart, it was non-stop selling for long periods of time. This was a $70 stock just earlier this year. So from $70, look at the constant selling you saw, and all of a sudden a change in character right here. And that's what I look for, folks. That's what I love to see, the change in character, the lack of sellers even in a bad market. And that's the thing that looks to me like you should, not only with the bullish pattern, but again, you should have upside potential coming on the horizon. And that's what it's all about, folks. I look for these levels, I find them, and again, by utilizing our methodology, our proprietary methodology, that's what it's all about. And again, just to kind of pinpoint this for you guys, take a look at this real quick. And again, you want to see a track record that blows your mind, go to the research center right here, which is swing trade alerts we give out. All right, so go to the Research Center and just scroll down track record at the bottom of the page. Over 700% net profit for the year. This is just for 2015, folks. Look at all these trades we've given out. All right, it's third-party verified. Most track records out there are pretty much BS. This is third-party verified, and that's your net gain. Now, again, as I always say, you know, we would never recommend putting all your money in every play. Instead, do a minimal amount, 10% of your portfolio in each of our plays. And if you divide this number by 10, which would be 10%, you still are up 70% for the year. Most hedge funds are negative for the year, folks. Most hedge funds are negative. So this is where it's at, folks. Bottom line is, come to the Research Center. This is where we do trades like the Lumber Liquidators, where I give it out to our members. And join us and start making money, guys. Still lots of the year left and lots of volatility to go. Take care.